Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't really been on here. I've been working on some other things. Not that I owe anyone an explanation, but I feel like I do owe everyone an explanation because you depend on me for content and I've been a little absent. So I wanted to come on really quick and just show you how I use my reseller genie besides to like put my sales in and all that kind of stuff, which is great for accounting purposes. But how I actually pull the data that I have input on my reseller genie and use it to my advantage to go through my items that are in my closet, to see what my pricing looks like, how long has an item been listed, all that kind of stuff. So there's some really great tools within my reseller genie. So I'm going to give you a really comprehensive breakdown of what I'm actually doing this week. I am not going to source at all this week because I have inventory coming to me in the next few days or so. So I don't have to go out sourcing. I did some online sourcing, bought some stuff from a friend as well. So I have things coming to me. I don't need to go out and source, and I want to stockpile a little bit of cash because I've been in a buying mode lately with various things, not just with reselling. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you what I'm currently working on and then how I did it using my reseller genie. So 1 second while I share my screen with everyone. I'm just going to share the main screen. So it's going to be a little weird, but okay. As you can see, I have this Excel spreadsheet that's right here. I don't know if you can see me. I'm going to move myself. I don't know if you can see me, but I have an Excel spreadsheet that's up here that I've pulled from my reseller genie, and I'm kind of filtering things out as I go. I've got my Poshmark Closet up, and then I have my reseller genie. So when you are, let me see if I can make this bigger here, and I'm just going to move it over. So this is the main dashboard for my reseller genie. And when I am in here, I like to go into the inventory tab. This is where I have all of my inventory that is listed. And you can see there's 676 items that are within here. The great thing about my reseller genie is it functions very much like an Excel spreadsheet when you're trying to pull reports. And that's what I really love about this platform is that not only are you getting graphs, right, and breakdowns of everything, you've got a great sales breakdown page here, and they're adding things all the time, which is really nice. Right now, the newest thing they added is integration with eBay, which is wonderful. So anything I post on eBay automatically comes into my reseller genie. Same with any sales that come in through eBay. You just have to review them. There's like a little pop-up that comes up on the little bell they have here. It pops up and you are able to go through any sales that you had on eBay or any things that were listed on there and kind of add in things that need to be added in. That's a really cool feature. Hopefully they'll be able to automate other things as well. But we're going to go into inventory and I'm going to show you guys how I filter. So I just created a CSV file, which is an Excel spreadsheet for my jeans. And I had specific filters put on here for anything that was purchased after, it was either purchased or listed, I think it was purchased, after September 30th, 2021. I wanted to do a snapshot of just that time frame because I was buying certain things at that time and I wanted to see how it was doing. And I also wanted to see, right now you see me highlighted here, skinny jeans. I don't really have that many skinny jeans left from that time period because I've really stopped picking them up. I still get them on occasion, but I really have limited that. And I'm just highlighting these. These are the things I want to specifically look at tonight, and see if there's anything I can do with these. Should I pull them, send them off to ThredUp, maybe go consignment store, maybe just mark them down and just move them. Anyway, that's what I'm doing with this spreadsheet. But how I got that spreadsheet is coming here to the inventory detail report. You're going to click on filters. Within the filters tab, this is how you're going to get the data that you want. So I went to category. So you click on the drop down, select category. Now this is where it comes important. You need to put in whatever it is that you want to put in. So you can put contains the word jeans or equals jeans. So I want it to equal jeans. That's what I want the category to equal to. And then I could have filtered this report down even more and done that I want the subcategory. So I clicked add filter. I want subcategory that contains the word skinny. Okay, you can see that it's changing the background. And then let's just create a different spreadsheet than what I originally did here. And then I want the purchase date to be, actually, no, I want the purchase date is on or before. Let's go way back in time. Let's do, oh, wrong way. Let's do January of 2021. All right, I don't have anything. So as you can see right here, there's nothing. So let's go back. Let's try August of 2021. Nope, nothing. So this is the part of data that you got to do, right? So there's nothing. So I need to do is on or after 12. We'll do 12/1. Okay, we'll just do that, 12/1. Because if I do November, what comes up? Is there more? Nope, same amount. October, okay, we'll do October, there's more data there. All right, so now I have my filters. I want my column to be categories that equal jeans and the subcategory to contain skinny. And I also want the purchase date is either on or after October 1st, 2021. Okay, those are my filters. And all the data is right here. Now you can use this just on My Reseller Genie to look through the items, excuse me, or you can select export. And what this is going to do is download a CSV file, which is just an Excel spreadsheet. And you can take this file and you can import it into Google. And if you use Google Sheets, you can do that. I'm on a Mac, so it's just going to open up in Numbers for me. I'm just going to move myself over here. And we are going to just expand this a little. And now this is going to give me everything that I selected in my data, all here compact in one place. So this looks very similar to the Poshmark inventory report. It's a very similar layout to it. So within here, I can see the title. So from here alone, I can already see, all right, is there something I need to change? Am I missing some information? The department, I can see the category, blah, 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 the brand. As you can tell, a lot of these are Madewell skinnies that are not sold. And there's a couple of brands, but it's mainly Madewell. My purchase price, and then all the other information, where it's listed, all that kind of stuff, right? What I am doing right now is, sorry, we're kind of bouncing around here, but I go into my Poshmark Closet. Now we have this great feature on Poshmark where we can search closets. We can search our own closet, right? I'm going to go to this first one. We're going to copy this Levi's 501 Original Skinny. We're going to paste that in here. And it should pop up. It is this guy. And now while I'm in here, yes, I have this data here to me, but now that I'm actually in my listing, I can go in, I can edit my listing. Is there anything that I want to do to this listing? What do my pictures look like? Should I probably edit some of these? Yeah, probably. I should probably make the background white. I'm going to switch out this right here. I'm going to remove the stock image and put the white background image of the jean in the front, make that the cover photo. I'm going to elongate this in some way, shape, or form. I'm going to go through my description. Do I have everything? I got some measurements in there. All right, got the size. We have this filtered down to skinny. Got the colors. We do have some style tags. Maybe I want to change the style tags. Maybe I don't want to keep those style tags. All right, and then go through each listing, upload it that way, come back to my spreadsheet and basically knock this out. And what I just like to do, because I like to keep my spreadsheets to keep tabs of everything, is I'm just going to hide the row and then move on to the next one. And then when I'm all done with everything, you could highlight it too, but I just like to hide it. And then when I'm all done, I'll unhide everything. And then I kind of have a good idea. I save all these to make sure, it's in for a few weeks or so I can see what it is that I've done and go back to it, reference it, whatever it is I need to do. So that's how I'm using the inventory report. It's been very helpful for me because I've been able to see what like you think you have a good perception of what's selling in your closet or what's not selling in your closet, and what it is you're picking up. But then when you look at these actual reports, you notice, I actually bought way more skinny. This is my thought process right now, way more skinny than I thought in that time frame of October to now. I really thought I wasn't picking up that many. Now, in comparison, I haven't picked up that many, and I haven't picked any up since it looks like February. Yep, February 9th is the last time I picked up a skinny jean, and that was an Everlane skinny. And that was because I bought this in a bundle, and there were other things in that bundle that I wanted. So to bring the cost down of that online sourcing, I ended up getting a skinny jean. And there are certain skinnies that I feel like still do well. Like an Everlane skinny generally does do well. This A Goldie, the brand is great, but as a skinny, probably wasn't the best purchase. These Rollas, I've never found them in anything but a skinny, and these have been sitting for a little bit. So this is from November. This one is also from November. Probably going to discount those or just pull them and send them off to Thread Up, because I have a bunch of Thread Up labels that I just was able to get a couple weeks ago. So yeah, let me just stop sharing my screen. If I can do that, here we go, and just show you my face. So that's how I'm using My Reseller Genie this week. I think what I'm going to do to show you guys what my process has been lately, how I've been able to make sales on the platforms, what I need to do on the back end to keep myself organized and make sure that I'm utilizing all the tools available to me and ensuring that I am having a good sell-through rate, because that's really my focus right now, is my sell-through rate. Right now I'm at like a 65% sell-through rate, 60, 65 in that range. I would like to be at like an 85% sell-through rate. So that really requires me going back, checking my data, making sure that everything's okay, checking my descriptions, looking at pricing, how's the market changed, I mean, all these factors. The only way for me to do that is not to source, and to just sit down a little bit each day, each night, and just go through all this. So as I'm going through this process, I'm going to share it with you while I use all these different tools that I have available. We'll go through other inventory reports that I pull. We'll go through my sales report. We'll kind of go through a little bit of everything, what kind of inventory I'm picking up. We can go through my inventory list, and you can see what I've picked up in the last 30 days, why I've picked it up. We can have a whole discussion on that. That'll probably be a good live video. But I just wanted to share this with everyone, and I don't know, let me know, how are you guys going back and reviewing your data? Are you reviewing your data? Do you need to review your data and you haven't? Or are you content with what's, what the health of your store is like? I feel like my store can always use improvement. And just because you're making sales doesn't mean that your store is healthy. There's a very distinct difference between that. So I know this is like super businessy and analytical, but it's a part of being a reseller, in my opinion. And I think it's really important for all of us to do this kind of stuff. But if you're interested in using My Reseller Genie, I'll put my affiliate link down below. Zero pressure, obviously. There's lots of great tools out there, but I really do believe in this product. And I've had success using it, and I will always promote any company. I will try any company. I will give everyone who creates a reselling tool the opportunity to prove themselves to be a great company for resellers to use. And I will always promote it on here if I use something and I think that it's helpful. It doesn't mean I stick to one company or another. I just like to share what I'm able to use and try out and share it with all of you guys. So I hope you found this helpful. If you use My Reseller Genie, have you used the inventory report in the way that I've been using it? Do you use it in a different manner? Share your thoughts down below in the comments. I'd love to see how you guys are using these tools as well. And if you're using another tool, let me know, because I'd like to try that one out too and see what it's all about. I will be back this weekend. I promise. I'm going to go live. Although I don't want to talk about sales this weekend, I just want to have an open discussion, a few different things that are kind of going around in my brain. So if you'd like to join me Saturday night, 8 p.m., we're going to be live here on YouTube. All right, everyone. I hope you have a great week. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.